National PSI Exam Prep, page 98. Contracts. Test questions. Salesperson 11, broker 12. True or false? Number 1. An example of a novation is a new contract replacing an old one. True. Number 2. A contract can be discharged when it cannot be legally accomplished based on impossibility of performance. True. Number 3. An executory contract is one that has been fully performed. False. One yet to be performed. Number 4. Earnest money is part of consideration and must be included in every contract. False. Earnest money is not consideration and is not required. It is tied to liquidated damages in case of default. Number 5. A purchase agreement is binding on the buyer as soon as she makes the offer. False. When acceptance is communicated. Number 6. A purchase agreement is binding on the buyer upon the seller's acceptance. False. Binding when acceptance is communicated. Number 7. In order for a contract for the sale of real property to be enforceable under the statute of frauds, the contract must be in writing and signed by both parties. True. Number 8. A signed contract of sale legally binds each party to its terms and can be modified only by amendment. True. A salesperson with full knowledge writes deceptive information in a sales contract. One of the parties to the contract acts on the information provided and incurs damages. Under these circumstances, the action of the salesperson constitutes duress. False. Fraud. 10. Number 10. A written lease for a term of 3 years is enforceable under the statute of frauds. True. Number 11. A contract that binds one party while allowing the other party to withdraw if certain conditions are not met is void. False. Voidable. Number 12. A contract that has yet to be performed is an executory contract. True. Number 13. A signed contract of sale transfers legal title. False. Deeds transfer title. Number 14. An agreement of sale put into writing is enforceable under the statute of frauds. True. Number 15. If a buyer and seller agree to a contract modification, they should sign an amendment. True. Number 16. A contract with a minor is voidable by either party to the contract. False. Only by the minor. Number 17. If a seller misrepresents a material fact about the property, from the buyer's point of view, the contract is unenforceable. True. Number 18. If one party to a contract takes legal action to force the other party to perform, it is called a suit for liquidated damages. False. Specific performance. Number 19. In order to be valid, a purchase agreement must include a clause specifying the listing commission. False. Commissions are not a part of a purchase agreement. Number 20. To be valid, a lease must contain a renewal option. False. Often ends on the termination date.